In today's video, I am going to teach you how to remove line break on Wix. If you have text on your Wix page that suddenly drops to the next line in a way you do not want, the fix is usually very simple. In most cases, this happens because the text box or container is too narrow, or because there is an extra break sitting inside the text. I will walk you through the exact process to clean it up so your text appears on one smooth line or flows the way you want it to. Start by clicking directly on the text block where the line break is happening. Make sure you are selecting the actual text element and not another section nearby. Once the text block is selected, you should be able to see the resizing handles on the sides of the container. Next, click and drag the side resizing handles outward. This widens the text container and gives your text more horizontal space. As you do this, watch the text closely. Very often, the line break will disappear immediately once the box is wide enough. This is one of the most common reasons text wraps awkwardly in Wix, so it is a good first adjustment to make before editing the text itself. If the line still remains, double-click inside the text box to activate the cursor. You want to enter text editing mode so you can place the cursor exactly where the break begins. Take your time here and click carefully so the cursor appears inside the text rather than selecting the whole element again. Now place the cursor right before the first letter of the line that dropped down. This is the key part. Once the cursor is in that spot, press backspace. That removes the break before that word and pulls the text back up onto the previous line, assuming there is enough room in the container for it to fit. If needed, you can combine both actions by keeping the text box wide enough and then removing the break manually. That usually gives you the cleanest result and helps the text display more naturally on the page. After making the change, take a quick look at the text to make sure the spacing looks correct and that the line now reads smoothly. Small layout fixes like this can make your page look much more polished and professional. That covers everything you need to know.